Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can just set up your Shopify shipping. So to do that you have to just log in with the ID of your Shopify. As you can see, I have logged in with my ID. So here is my name. So first thing, you have to just like make your product and all thing that you have made. So then you have to go to our settings option. So as you can see, so in settings, as you can see, I have like my information here as my currency is US dollar. So I can just first we have to add our payment option and we have to buy a plan to add the shipping. So as you can see, I have not updated my payment method. So first I will choose a plan. So as you can see, it's like $1 for 3 months. Okay, then it will charge about like $29 a month for a basic plan, and for advanced plan you can see, and for the plus plan, Shopify Plus, as you can see, $2000. So this is how this Shopify charges. So we can just choose like basic plan. So as you can see here, the Shopify gives us option to, like, here you can see we will add here our address and all things. Then we have to add our payment method. So Shopify gives us two options as credit card and our PayPal. So you can add as per your choice. So when you will done by like purchasing the basic plan or the advanced plan, so your payment method will be shown. The payment method is for you. Okay, so and then we have to go to billing. So billing, as you can see here, we have in billing we have to add the payment method of our. So when you will add in plan, the same will be add in your billing. So the you have to select the similar things. Okay, so then like we have to go next. So here is payment. So in payment, as you can see, we can just active a Shopify payments. Okay, so by activating it, it will help us to fast checkout in our Shopify using our like PayPal and our Amazon Pay. So as you can see, so let's go to shipping and delivery. So in shipping and delivery, Shopify provides us three types of like shipping. Okay, so first one is our domestic, like the general, and then the second one is local delivery, and third is like local pickup. So let's go to first. So in first we have to just click on this as manage, as you can see. So in manage we have first as like shipping origin. So here is the shipping in USA. It's like economy is like $50. Okay, it take like 5 to 8 business days, and here is the weight 10 0 lb to 5 to 7. The rates are here, as you can see. So here I will do like down. When you will ship to like international, you can just like set here. So first we will add for our like domestic. So to add that we have to click on here add rate. So here you can see we have to set up our carrier. We can just use app also. So as you can see, we can just use uh, UPS. As you can see, UPS from rates from Shopify. So we can just take this and we can just do done. Okay, so this rates has been added to us. So we can just add the more rate. So if you want like do your private shipping, if you don't want to do, so you can just charge a flat. We can just name it. We can just name as sample for the video. We can do a sample. Okay, so add sample. We are charging here for our delivery as 9.99 dollars, as you can see. So this is the charges for our standard delivery. Okay, so we can do like this. So for international, you can see Shopify provides us two delivery, DHL and USPS, as you can see. Okay, so if you want to like add rates for this, like if you have any or other app, you can just use this also. Okay, so UPS Ground, UPS Worldwide Saver Express, you can use this all. Okay, so if you want to use DHL, you can use DHL also, others also. So if you want to add your private shipping, so you can add it here. So we'll like 16 to here. We will like rate it here. So we can do as here our $49. Okay, so it will done. So our international shipping is $49, and carrier rates and app rates are here, as you can see. So you calculate it. So when the customer will add the product, then it will be calculated. So this is your fixed. Okay, so let's go to next. Then you have to just save it. Okay, so you have to just agree this and just save and continue. And here you have to register with UPS. So I'm not registering now. So like here, if you want to use FedEx, so for FedEx you can just open. Okay, for here you can just open their site and see the rates. So as you can see here, for FedEx it's not loading actually. So we can just go as here, we can search as FedEx as here. Okay, so here you can see. So here is FedEx. So here you can just click on your shipping option. So here you have option to ship now your ship manager lite. So you can use a shipping tool also from here, as you can see their web. So let's go to ship now option. Okay, so let's here check there. Okay, so first you have to register. Okay, so to register just click on create user ID. So here you can see, you can just do like here you can just ship rate, get rates and transfer time. So as you can see, so we are doing for USA. Okay, so here is FedEx shipping rate calculator. So if it started like loading, so as you can see, so you can just write from to from. So let us do from Los Angeles to like we can do to like Washington DC. Okay, so it will show our rates. You can wait, it's loading. So if this calculator not works properly, you can just go to your Google and search for another calculator. So you can just go here and just do from here. Okay, you can just open the sites, so it will be open. So here you can see, you can just do and calculate. So let us add is length as 1, like sorry, 100, and width we can just like length to like height as 5. Okay, so let's calculate. So dimensional weight will be 1 lb. So we can just click on ship now. So here are 3 options for international FedEx. Okay, so you can just check the rates by signing up here in the sites. Okay, so let's move to next shipping like options. Okay, so here is local delivery. So in local delivery, like uh, Shopify does not offers a local delivery. So if you want to offer this, you can just click on the this is local delivery offer. So here you have to like give your detail and the information for your customer and just create a delivery zone. Okay, you can just create a new delivery zone if you want. You can just create if you want to deliver in like Alabama or like Washington DC, New York, you can just put here your location and you can just privately ship them locally. Okay, so this is the second option of our delivery. So let's go to the third option. Third option is local pickup. So local pickup is that like you have shipped the item to like usually like near the place. Okay, so here you can see bring your confirmation email when you come to pick your order. So you can just uh, tie up with a shop and just say them to like take our product. Okay, so it's like you can see here, you can just like do for local settings, you can just change the settings for local also. So here you can just choose. So as you can see locations, So here you can just add your shop location, so that will be calculated by the Shopify here. Okay, so these are the three methods that you can just set up your shipping on your Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.